assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
All right, for this problem, we need to find the standard heat of formation for 4 different compounds, and we also need to write out an equation for the formation of each of these from their elements in standard states. So the first one is NH3. In order to make NH3, I am going to combine nitrogen gas, remember that's diatomic, plus hydrogen gas, which is H2, and that will give us NH3 also in the gas form. Just a quick balance of this, I have 3 hydrogens and 2 hydrogens, so we're going to get them to look alike by making them 6, and that actually fixes the nitrogens as well. Now, when you hear standard states in thermochemistry, your delta H and your delta G should be 0 for these guys. So the nitrogen and the hydrogen are going to be 0. I'm going to have a value for NH3. Remember, when I find this, I'm really doing the sum of the number of moles times my delta H of formation for my products minus the sum of the number of moles times the delta H of formation of my reactants. Now, my reactants should be 0 on all of these because they're in standard states. So all I really am doing is multiplying the number that I find for my product by whatever coefficient is in front of it. For NH3, we have to do 2 times negative 45.9, which is what I find in my table for the delta H of NH3. This is going to give me a negative 91.8 kilojoules. In the second one, I'm making CO2. So we're going to go with carbon solid in its graphite form because that's the one that's 0, plus O2, which is a gas, gives me CO2, also a gas. This is already balanced. So when I look up the number for CO2, that's going to be my answer. I get negative 393.51 kilojoules. You don't have to do anything else to that one. For the third problem, we are making Fe2O3. To do that, I need solid iron plus oxygen gas. Make sure that you balance this. Right now, everything's messed up, so we're going to look at the oxygens. I have 3 and 2, which means I'm going to have to get them to 6. So I'll put a 2 there and a 3 here. That gives me 4 irons, so I'm going to put a 4 there. Again, iron and oxygen are in standard states, so they're 0. So I'm going to do 2 times negative 824.2, which gives me a negative 1648.4 kilojoules. The last one, I am making CH4, so I need my carbon. Again, this is solid graphite plus hydrogen gas. That's going to give me CH4, which is also a gas. The only thing I need to do to balance this is to put a 2 in front of H2. When I look up the value for CH4, that's going to be my answer. That value is negative 74.6 kilojoules.